I wanted to ask you about history. India and Pakistan are the product of two-nation theory. We got divided because of the two-nation theory that Jinnah propagated. However, there's a view that two-nation theory failed in 1971 when Bangladesh was created. Do you see Pakistan existing as a country in, say, 10 years or 20 years from now? Besides that, would you say that Modi government hasn't been able to produce a coherent policy or coherent map to deal with Pakistan? Fundamentally, all we have done in the last 4 or 5 years is rhetoric. There were fears that India will go to war with Pakistan. That did not happen. Pakistan continued terror attacks from Pathankot to Uri, and Kashmir has been a mess since the killing of Burhan Wani. What exactly is the BJP's approach to Pakistan?
First question, the answer is very simple. I am not astrologer, so I won't be able to predict. And my good wishes to Pakistan also may not help if they are going to go to the sink. The second question is much more substantial. See, I must tell you that our government has gave one sincere attempt to have good relations with Pakistan. It started with invitation to Mr. Nawaz Sharif during swearing in, and then surprise visit of Mr. Modi to Lahore. But it was not reciprocated by what we expected, that the reduction or stopping cross-border terrorism, supporting separatists in the Kashmir, etc., etc. So, in a nutshell, it was an attempt with a good intent, but did not work. And therefore, we have made in last 3 years or so a very principled stand that the terrorism and talk will not go together, and which he has also defined in very recent interview with ANI, Smita Prakash, that yes, we would like to have good relationship with Pakistan, but not on the point of bullet or a gun. Having said that, I broadly agree with what Abhijit and Major Gauravarya has said, that we cannot ignore history. And every time we have done some good gesture with Pakistan, most of the time it has not gone reciprocated in the same spirit. And it's very nice to talk about trade, etc., etc. Long back, civil activists have started going to Pakistan boundaries with Kuldeep Nayyar and waving the flags, Mombatti Walas. And one big newspaper, Times of India Group, has actually started Aman Ki Asha. And we know where all that has gone. I am not questioning the intentions. They were done in good intent. But actually, the history.
I understand that, BJP, like all other political parties, would like to have peace with Pakistan. See, that's the general aspiration.
No, let me tell you very clearly, which I said last year also in another conclave like this, that we don't have, as a BJP, we don't have any ideological compulsions to have peace with Pakistan, unlike in UPA.
Exactly.
So we will deal, because in UPA and left, they think that they are not secular enough if they don't have good relations with Pakistan. We don't have that compulsion. We will deal the way they are dealing with us. And it includes surgical strikes. So when you talk about Uri, we should also remember that what we have done and how many terrorists we have eliminated in Pakistan, in Kashmir Valley, which is a sort of record in the independent India. So we will deal it very firmly, very decisively. If they come up with a genuine proposal, with a sincere proposal, we will be willing to talk to them, but not on some any idealism or any daydreaming.